This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 pickup that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. And today I just wanted to talk about removing the battery cradle / battery box from the vehicle itself. This is it. It's on the driver's side. It's kind of up there where the front tire is. For this battery box here, it actually was broken. You can see where the metal was fractured right there, and then when you flip the battery box upside down, you can see where the metal broke off there. This actually turned out to be a pretty good deal for me because it did allow me to see a lot easier how this battery cradle / box was mounted to my Studebaker. There were actually 3 points that it mounts, 2 on the frame and 1 right there on the cross member by the motor mount. The forward mount you can see here is a bolt nut combination, and then the back mount that you see here is actually they've got a threaded nut in the frame there, and it's just a bolt that screws it down and holds it down on the back side there. The last bolt is the one that's over by the motor mount, and this is also a bolt nut combination that secured the battery cradle to the frame and the cross member there. The 3 bolts that were used, you'll see these 2 bolt nut combinations for that front mount and for the one by the motor mount, and then there's the bolt for the back side there. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.